Consistent corrected practice with the help of technology. Are you ready? He is an engineering graduate and he's a job aspirant, and now I'm going to show you a tool, an AI agent that we can actually use for practice, and it will give you feedback. See, why do you come for one-on-ones? Because your coach gives you feedback. Ipdi pannunga, appdi pannunga, do like this, aisa karo, vaisa mat karo. Keep your hands like this. This is how you have to speak, isn't it? Yeah. And you need a support like this, a continuous support. Yes. You're gonna get a wonderful tool today. Please go to Yoodli AI. YOODLI. Yes, enter. Yoodli AI is a public speaking app or AI agent. Plus, it gives you a role play. It helps you with a lot of other things, and role plays, interview. You can actually give a profile and all the things. Yoodli.sign in. This is your first page. Interactive role plays. Yes. It will only give you five free assignments. Sign in with Google. Yeah. It will give you 5 free. But after that, you can use your Amma's email ID, your brothers, your mothers, keep using it. And I always recommend that go in for the paid one. See, free AI is good. But paid is 100 times better. Ready? So this is what exactly it is. This is yours. Ashwin, you have got 4 Yoodlis remaining. You've already used Yoodli?
Yes.
Wonderful. So this is your 4th one is left out, and you can do lots of other things. So click on practice. Just keep there. You can see role play, presentation, interview, and you can upload. Let's say you have a Zoom interview and you can just send it completely. But these features are available on paid way. So you've used Yoodli. That's so nice. That was a wonderful surprise. So it will give you repetition, weak words, spacing, fillers, everything. And there is lots and lots of practice. Let's practice presentation. Ready? Yes. Ready? Allow access to camera. Shall I?
Yeah, okay.
Great. Allow access to camera as well as see it's there. Yes. So now it has to be done in such a way. Great. Yes. So when I start, it will start with 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Let's see how we are going to do this. And this is live demo. You are able to see how exactly it's connected to the projector. Camera is on. This thing, it will give me 45 seconds of free session where I can record. Okay. 3, 2, 1. Social media, good or bad? Social media is here, and that's the reality. It is going to stay. It's all about how you use it. Social media could help you to promote your business, market your products, make many connections. There's LinkedIn, and then there is social media where youngsters are losing their so much amount of time, energy, and their talent. They are doom scrolling. So social media, my dear friends, is here to stay. It's all about how you use it. I make money through social media. I have YouTube channels which is bringing me money, and however, I don't watch YouTube. So social media, good or bad, all depends upon how you use it. Use it or lose it. It's up to you. Now, there it goes. Ended the presentation. Let's see what exactly happens. Now we can see the analysis. You've used Yoodli earlier?
Yes.
Yeah, how did you come to know?
You taught me one time.
Oh, wonderful. Then you should use it more.
Okay.
Yeah, great. Let's see how exactly it happens. Finishing my rehearsal, testing my mics, everything. So this is, now give me complete details, everything. Now, so it will show me where exactly I need to have. Social media is here. The whole transcript is here. Social media, good or bad. Social media is here. And that's a reality. So everything it has. So it'll give me analytics coaching. Social media is here. Conciseness. So my conciseness is given here. You might prefer rephrase version because it entirely delivers more message efficiently while maintaining a conversational tone. It eliminates redundancy as your coach. So you'll find very less issues with me where I'm able to do. So it is all given here. Pronunciation. There is only one place that I should stress in social media. Okay, here. I can listen to it.
One area to focus on could be the placement of stress in multi-syllable words.
Okay, got it. So it'll give me everything. Yeah. And this is with a free energy. Now see analytics strength. You conveyed a personal message about earning through social media, which adds authenticity to the message. Nice job. Now go to analytics. Filler word 0. Weak words only 2%. Conciseness 22% XR. Repetition only 2 repetition. Sentence starters social. This is what exactly. What could have gone better? What went well? So it is giving me repetition. I have made 2 repetition. Now many. I use it. Market your products, make many connections with LinkedIn. Yeah, many connections. Correct?
Yes.
About how you use it or lose it. It's up. This I can't change it because use it or lose it is a different phrase, isn't it? Yeah. So this way, but this is a very important thing. Correct? So please use this one. Sentence starters. Social. Social media good. Or now coming to more on delivery. Now delivery is about what? 55% body language, 38% tonality and 7%. But now let's see exactly it is. So is it slow? Is it fast? No, it is somewhere in the rate of slightly the higher fast. Got it? Vary your pace, it keeps the audience engaged. So isn't pauses. Isn't it? Nice job, your audience. Time to digest. See, when you say something, you should have some pauses. Rambo fast or sonna?
He can't understand.
So nice job. So they're giving me how to pause effectively. Again, there is a video. So here you can go here. Tanya baat ninge idala video kathukalam. It will teach you everything. He is your online coach. He will teach you everything. What is the important of pauses.
Pausing is the most underrated and also the most important speaking.
Like this, for everything there are lots of videos. Okay, now here coming to delivery, we went here, pausing, how to pause effectively. You can see here, you'll see a video. These are the places he'll teach you where I am doing. Okay, how could have gone better? Centering, mostly centered. So this is where exactly I have gone. Yeah, you are mostly centered, but tend to be low on the screen. I kept a little bit because I'm sitting like this and this thing. So laptop konjam male irundhu nalla irundirukum. So it gives you everything what a good coach like Harshita coach or me will be able to give to you. You have come here, you have participated, you have learned all the other things you have got. Now it's time. See, when a baby starts walking, how do we do? 2 hands. Then slowly, 1 hand, then you're doing well, and now you should be on your own. Practice. For you, I strongly recommend that go in for the paid version. If you go with the paid version, this is what you can do. In this, you can give role play. Yeah, so you can actually give your role play. She's a CEO. You can give her that of this company. You put in your complete prompt, and you can do that. You can add every other thing. She will do role play. You can do. She's assertive. She's CEO. And since we've chosen India, so somewhere they've given us an Indian this thing. So like this, there are lots of things you can do. Interviews. Interview skills new boiler. Okay, this is an interview. So what are the questions? Which interview, which company you're going to feed? All the information. I am meeting HR person so and so, this person is so and so, this one. Sample associate, company, give everything. All the other things. He is your mic man, he is a friendly manager. Behavioral interview. So idala ninge eduthu potikkalam. Behavioral interview, technical interview. Or create your own. It's an AI, correct? Practice questions. You can go to practice questions. In practice question, you can give what exactly you want. Give the name of the company, tell me about yourself, then you can continue with it. They'll keep giving you one questions. And here, you can get even the captions also. Here, you record, post. And then you can study. For you, I strongly recommend that you please do more of these interview things because that is where you are going to go. The more you do, it will become much better. Then you will be here, where you're going. This is your exercises. Metaphor mania, spinania, no filler, storyteller. Correct? You learn all the things. Then this is your Yoodli. Today we'll have 2 Yoodlis. This is you, this is me. That was done August 23. Correctly a month from now.
Yeah.
Wow. See, mine is in green. Yours is red. So keep practicing. Put it in
Yes.
Correct? So find a nice place and start doing it. What do you need? A laptop, internet, and ask your mom that கொஞ்சம் ப்ராக்டிஸ் பண்ணுங்க ஃப்ரெண்ட் அவங்களோட இமெயில் ஐடி வாங்கி பண்ணுங்க. Once you think that this is a wonderful tool, please buy this tool. There are two more tools. I have tested all of them and then I have found out Yoodli is the best tool in the market as of now for youngsters like you. You will have learning also, you will have all the other things. You go to Builder, yeah. This is, again, you can come here, create a role play, interviews, persona. Create a persona, whom are you meeting? You create your persona, it will teach you every other thing. And learning is there in this, it will teach you everything about Yoodli. So friends, this was Yoodli and you can use it. It is your AI coach. You are helping you with consistent corrected practice. And that is what we need. Practice is there, but if we are not getting corrected, we are not sure whether it is right or wrong. This is the latest. It will help you so that you can do consistent corrected practice.
Thank you.
All the best for your interview journey.
Thank you.
Hello everybody, my name is Dr. Sachin and I represent ICM, International Coaching Monks, here along with Mr. Dhup, Dr. Poorani, Anju Ji, and finally under the guidance of Mr. De, we work with entrepreneurs just like you to help you implement concepts like FIFO, first in, first out, JIT, just in time, management skills like Six Sigma and Lean, assembly line. And if you are looking to automate and take your business to the next level, ICM is the answer.